Good morning, students. In the last video you have seen, during the neutralization reaction, suppose you are adding acid to base, then acid will nullify the effect of base, and you are adding base to acid, then it will nullify the effect of acid. Means vice versa, they all acids and base, they will cancel out the effect of each other. The neutralization reaction is very useful in our day-to-day life. The very first point I want to take, that is indigestion. Indigestion is known as acidity also. Our stomach produces hydrochloric acid in the during the digestion of food. It is needed for the digestion of food. Okay, so sometimes when overeating or any other reason, excess of hydrochloric acid is there in our stomach, then it is known as indigestion. And the person suffered from indigestion, he can feel some type of stomachache or irritation or some other type of effects may be seen. In order to cure indigestion, the effect of HCl should be nullified. To remove the effect of hydrochloric acid and to get rid of various kinds of pain, we will take antacid. So, in all, antacids are the group of mild bases which have no toxic effect on the body, and being basic in nature, antacid react with excess of acid in the stomach and neutralize it. So, this will give relief to the person concerned. The most common antacids are, here you are observing in the images, various types of effect. Okay, so various type of Digene, okay, as well as baking soda, it means meetha soda that is available at home, milk of magnesia which contains magnesium hydroxide. These all are mild bases which can be used to to nullify the effect of HCl which is secreted excess in our stomach. Next point I want to discuss about the tooth decay. Though tooth decay is not included in your syllabus, but for your betterment I want to discuss, when you eat some sugar or some chapati and the part of this will remain in your tooth, that then this will convert afterwards in acid and it will affect your tooth enamel. Tooth enamel means the hardest part over the tooth, that will be spoiled. See here, one cavity will form if you will eat something and you will not brush or you will not rinse your mouth, then in such manner cavity will occur. Cavity will be bigger and bigger and till to root it will go. Then what will happen? Ultimately tooth will destroy and you have to remove this tooth. To get rid of this type of thing, you should rinse your mouth when you eat something, and with basic material like toothpaste or like a small amount of baking powder, baking soda, any meetha soda, a small amount you will rub over the teeth, then what will happen? You can get rid of this type of cavities. Okay. Now, our next point is ants sting. This is a picture of honey bee, or when the sting of honey bee or an ant stings a person or bites a person, one acid that is present in honey bee or ants, it will be ejected to the human being and this causes burning pain or itching. This type of red coloration and itching one will face. You can see that hand is totally red when honeybee or ant will sting. Okay, it secretes actually formic acid. You need to remember this name of acid which is secreted by ant, that is formic acid. On rubbing a mild base, here you are observing in a bowl mild base, that is again baking soda is here. Its solution can be rubbed over the affected area and one can get rid of itching. Okay, so why it happens? Because the formic acid is present in our body due to this formic acid came from honeybee or ant sting. So the effect of this formic acid will be neutralized by the baking soda. Instead of baking soda, calamine solution also can be used, that is available in the market for the same purpose. Okay. Now next point is soil treatment. A soil may be acidic or basic naturally. When the city in which acid rain is frequently occurring, then the water coming from acid rain, it will go to the underground water and the soil at that place become acidic in nature. Suppose in some cities like the cities in which factory waste or something, some chemicals are mixing in water which are making soil basic in nature. So the for any type of crop formation, the treatment of soil should be in different and different manner. If soil is too acidic, then it is treated with base such as quicklime or slacked lime. Okay, these are calcium oxide or calcium hydroxide, and the bases such as quicklime neutralize the excess acid present in the soil. Okay, suppose the soil is too basic, then decaying decaying organic material like manure or compost should be added to it. The decaying organic matter releases acid which neutralize the excess base present in the soil, which reduce its basic nature. It means farmers should go to the agricultural department. So what will happen? The plantation can be occurring in a well manner or crop formation can occur in a well manner. Okay. Now our next point is factory waste. What will happen due to factory waste? The waste substance discharged by many factories, they contains acid. If these untreated factory waste are discharged in the water bodies, then like here in this picture you are observing that without any treatment, suppose factory waste will mixed with the water, like water bodies like rivers, lakes and ponds, what will happen? The acid present in them will kill fishes and other aquatic organisms which lives in the water bodies. The acidic factory waste should be treated with basic substance to neutralize them before discharging into the water body. Government has banned also to discharge such type of factory waste directly in the rivers or ponds, but the ultimate responsibility of the human being themselves. If they are running a factory, they should do proper treatment of water first, then only they should do discharge in the water bodies. Okay, so you got all the 4 points in a very clear manner that how neutralization reaction is helpful in our day-to-day life. So the main key point of the day is that how indigestion is cured. Okay, how indigestion is cured. These are the pictures of the various medicine. Then honeybee or ant stings. Then what happened and how we will cure. Okay, then the soil treatment, like if acidic soil, then how you will treat, or the basic soil, how you will treat. Okay, these are the various treatment: compost, vermicompost, organic fertilizers, or there are many fertilizers named like DAP, urea and many other fertilizers. So, in the same manner, factory waste should be treated chemically. Thank you.